Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the first in a series of instructional videos for teachers and students about how to use an extension called Insert Learning. The first thing you have to do, as with any other extension, is get to the Chrome Web Store and get this installed. This is one that teachers and students will have to install once it's whitelisted for your domain, which for us it is. It's called Insert Learning. When you get to it, it's going to look like this. I've already got it added. You don't yet, but you'll go in and add it. Give it permission to connect to your Google account, your school account, obviously. It'll give teachers and students alike some more information about what it's going to let you do. This lets you take a web page that goes with your content or your topic or however you want to use it and add questions and highlighting and discussion and annotation possibilities directly on that web page. You don't have to take screenshots of it. You don't have to wait for it to show up as a PDF somewhere. You can ask those questions and have students interact directly with that website. So this will give you some more information about it. It gives you the overview. It gets you to other things that are related to it, and shows you some ways to use it as well, just like I'm going to do. So the first thing you want to do is add that extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once you've done that, it's going to show up here in your extensions. If it doesn't, you're going to go to this puzzle piece and be sure that it's pinned to your taskbar so that you can use it. And that's the first step. Be sure and install this extension so that we can use it in the next video. Hope you see some possibilities for it. I'll walk you through the process piece by piece. First step, get the extension downloaded. When you've done that, we'll move on to the next step, which is actually opening it up and using it.